What is up, guys? Today I am going to be going over and reviewing a product that is actually very, very cool and unique. Not typically something that I would review on the channel, but I recently was traveling down in Florida and I came across this store in Key West that was just, I walked past it, I think twice before I was like, what is this? And it's a store called 3D Mini Me. Now, that kind of piqued my interest, and what really piqued my interest was what they had on display in the window there in Key West. Now, they have these little miniatures, and I went into the store to check it out because I was curious about the whole process and I wanted to see what they were doing inside this store. So, heading on in, they are just full of high-tech equipment, and what this company does is they print 3D models of you, and it just comes out looking incredible. Now, I went through the whole process down there, and it takes about 6 weeks to get your finished product back to you. So you do the whole process there, they scan you, goes into their system, they end up 3D printing a model of you, and then they mail it out within 6 weeks. I got mine in like 6 weeks. I think it was less than 6 weeks. I like it, yeah. Now, I just got mine, as you saw here just a minute ago with me opening up the package and showcasing it and everything like that. But it's right here, and it's this little guy right here. Now look at that. Now my hair was a little bit shorter there, but it looks just like me. I just think that is really cool. The detail, it's even got the gray in my beard and my tattoos. Look at that. Look at that handsome fella. And it came with a base here. And so I've got that here on my work desk, and the whole process was really simple. I could have been in and out of there in like 10 minutes, maybe 15 tops, but I wanted to talk to the guys there and learn a bit more. And it was really interesting, the whole operation that they've got going on. Now, this is in Key West in Florida. It's right down there on the streets in the main area of shopping and everything like that. If you're in the area, you're going to be visiting down there and you want to get something like this, I would recommend it because I'm very happy with what I got. You'll want to go to 3dminimeusa.com and go through their website, and you'll be able to check out all of the prices and features and different options that they have. You'll be able to learn a little bit about their history, different things that they do. They have all their contact information there as well. So you'll want to just scroll through the website there and check it all out. But they have these guys starting at $39 for their 3-inch nano version. Now, I think I ended up getting if I remember correctly, the junior, no, maybe it was the medium, which cost me $100. I picked this guy. Let's see right there. You can get these guys for as little as $39. And it's a really cool, fun process, getting scanned into their system and then having them print out a 3D model of you or a friend or a loved one, and having that sent to you and showing up is really cool. It's kind of cool having this on my desk here with this little guy watching over me. So I was really happy with the experience. It was a pleasure getting to know the gentleman there, everybody there, and looking over all the stuff that they have on display. yeah, so my overall impression now that I have the product back and did the whole process is I'm very happy with it. I think the prices are fair for what they're doing, and it's a really cool story. I've never seen another store like this where you could walk in and do something like this in my travels. So I just thought it was a really unique opportunity to highlight this company, the product, and what they're doing. And I think it's really cool to be able to just get like this level of detail out of a process like this, and then just have it sitting on my desk with the Wandering Wolf stuff there from my channel written on it. So very cool process. Again, make sure to check out the website. They're gonna have a lot of information there, more than I've given you here, where you can find out you know, exactly where they're located and look over their prices. Everything's really well laid out there on their website. So all in all, I would say thumbs up. Really cool little trip down in Key, Florida. I'll have those videos coming out pretty soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned. And just big hello and thank you to all you guys over at 3D Mini Me. I couldn't be happier with the product. This is really cool, so thanks. Awesome. Get the same outfit on still. That's great.
And then they
Really
print.
cool little process.
They print over here in these color printers.
And I'm looking forward to putting this on my desk.